The debut of the Apple Watch Series 10 at Apple's September 9, 2024, its Glow Time event was a surprise, making the device's 10th anniversary. The Watch 10 introduces updates in its display, charging capabilities, and health features, making it an exciting step forward for wearable technology. Let's unlock it. The Apple Watch 10 features a new wide-angle OLED display, which is 95 larger than the Watch 9 and Watch 8 series, with a 46mm variant that surpasses the Apple Watch Ultra 2's screen size. The wider screen improves usability for core features, such as reading emails and using detailed input apps. The display's brightness peaks at 2000 nits, offering clarity even under direct sunlight. It also features high-detail watch faces with smooth second-hand animations and a low refresh rate for an always-on mode without draining the battery. The Apple Watch 10 series is thinner and lighter than the previous models, shedding about 10% of its bulk. This makes it the slimmest and lightest smartwatch from Apple. The 46mm model, which is the largest, doesn't feel bulky due to the well-crafted case and slimmed-down bezel. There's also a 42mm version for those who prefer a smallest watch. The digital crown is now 1mm thinner, giving the watch a more minimalistic appearance. The rear panel, integrated with the case, now has a redesigned charging coil for faster charging. The red circle around the digital crown, which used to indicate LTE connectivity, has been removed, giving the device a cleaner look. The Watch 10 is powered by S10, Apple's system in package, which works similarly to the S9 chip used in the Watch 9 and Ultra 2. The S10 comes with a 4-core neural engine specifically designed to handle machine learning tasks more efficiently. This is especially useful for real-time applications like language translations. Machine learning also powers Smart Stack, a feature that organizes widgets based on your usage patterns, ensuring that the most relevant tools are always easily accessible. The Apple Watch is continuously improving its ability to predict and present the right information when you need it, such as reminders per charge. However, the new fast charging feature allows the device to reach 80% battery in just 30 minutes. This makes it easier to quickly top up your watch's battery during short breaks. The Watch 10 also introduces a new health feature, sleep apnea detection, using the watch's accelerometer to monitor movements and identify potential signs of sleep apnea. If detected, you'll receive a notification in the Apple Health app for further medical follow-up. This feature reflects Apple's commitment to health and wellness, although it is still pending FDA approval. The Watch 10 runs on watchOS 11, Apple's latest operating system for wearables, which brings new features such as training load to help athletes monitor their workout intensity and a revamped Vitals app that consolidates key health metrics in one place. Other useful additions include enhanced ovulation and pregnancy tracking tools designed to give users a better overview of their reproductive health and the ability to pause activity rings, a feature eagerly awaited by many Apple Watch users. Apple has not forgotten about adventures and fitness enthusiasts. The Watch 10 now includes new snorkeling tools such as a depth gauge and water temperature sensor. The smartwatch has improved noise suppression technology to allow for clearer phone calls in noisy environments. For those who prefer luxury, Apple has introduced a titanium variant of the Watch 10. This new model is 20% lighter than the stainless steel option it replaces and is available in natural, gold, and slate gray finishes. The standard aluminum models are available in classic finishes like silver, jet black, and rose gold, with prices starting at $399 for the 42mm model and $429 for the 46mm variant. If you opt for cellular, expect to pay an extra $100. So, are you considering the Apple Watch Series 10? It might be the thing that convinces you to leave the past behind and welcome the future on your wrist. Are you ready to make the switch? Share your thoughts in the comments below.